Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare the Volvo XC40 versus the Volkswagen ID.4, helping you decide which compact SUV best fits your lifestyle. We'll dive into their core differences, from powertrains to interior features. The XC40, known for its Scandinavian luxury, offers versatile engine choices. Meanwhile, the ID.4 stands out as a dedicated electric vehicle, emphasizing efficiency and modern design. Let's explore what makes each of these popular SUVs unique. When it comes to performance, the Volvo XC40 provides a traditional gasoline or mild hybrid experience, with its most powerful non-electric option delivering up to 247 horsepower. This offers a familiar driving feel. The Volkswagen ID.4, however, is a pure electric vehicle, with its all-wheel drive variant offering up to 335 horsepower for a quicker, more responsive acceleration. Crucially, the ID.4 also delivers an impressive electric range of up to 291 miles, making it suitable for longer journeys without needing to refuel. Inside, both SUVs offer a comfortable and technologically advanced experience. The Volvo XC40 showcases a luxurious cabin with premium materials and a 9-inch center display that integrates Google built-in services for seamless connectivity. The Volkswagen ID.4 counters with a larger 12.9-inch infotainment touchscreen and a spacious interior, providing up to 64.2 cubic feet of cargo space with the rear seats folded. Both models also come equipped with comprehensive driver assistance systems, ensuring a safe and confident ride. Deciding which is better often comes down to your priorities. The Volvo XC40, with a starting price around $41,000, offers a more luxurious feel and traditional powertrain options. The Volkswagen ID.4, starting around $41,420, provides an all-electric experience with potentially lower running costs and eligibility for federal tax credits, which can significantly reduce the purchase price. If you're ready to embrace electric, the ID.4 is a strong contender. For those preferring a blend of luxury and conventional power, the XC40 shines. Don't forget to check the description for links to these vehicles and other great deals, like those leak-proof meal prep containers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.